Hi, you guys. Today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini 2.0, which is Google's AI tool, which you can use as your personal assistant, not only in content creation like brainstorming, editing, or creating scripts, but also in your personal life. I'm going to show you the interface, which is pretty much what you see when you log in. And did I mention it's free, 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 free? You don't have to pay for this, you guys. So let's go into my computer and I'll show you what the interface looks like and the many, many features available to you. All right. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is create an account or log in if you already have an account, a Google account. So you'll go to aistudio.google.com, and this is the interface that you'll see. It says Multimodal Live API with Gemini 2.0. Okay, and over here on the left, it tells you to get a API key, and all you have to do is click on get an API key. And I'm not going to do it again because I already did mine. You click on create API key, and then Google will create an API key for you. And the information will, be down here for you. Okay. So click on create a prompt. And down here, you can write in your prompt. But what I'm more excited to show you guys, click on stream real time, is that you can actually talk to Gemini 2.0, right? So you can start a real time conversation using your microphone. You can show Gemini, use your webcam to share what you're looking at and get real time feedback. You can share your screen to show Gemini what you're working on. So let's go through a couple of these, okay? So let's talk to Gemini. Click on Talk to Gemini. Yes, I want 10 video ideas, YouTube video ideas for the YouTube growth niche for people 50 and over, teaching how to use AI. Nope, those 10 ideas would be great. Okay, you can stop now. Thank you. No, you did well. Thank you so much. You too. Okay, so how cool is that? So you no longer have to just use text. You can literally talk to Gemini 2.0 about anything, not just content creation, you guys, but this could literally be your personal assistant. This could be your personal assistant. Okay, so let's see. You can show Gemini 2.0. It says use your webcam to share what you're looking at and get real time feedback. So let's try that. So the next thing you can do is show Gemini 2.0 what you're working on in real time. So let's click on show Gemini. Okay, and let's see. What is this I'm holding up? Where can I buy it? Yes, please. No, that's perfect. Thank you. Now, the next thing, and this is on the stream real time, you can do is to share your screen. So you can share your screen and show Gemini what you're working on in real time. So I'm going to click on share your screen. Okay, can you see my YouTube? Okay, now this video from Dan the Creator, how to include SEO to make any video go viral. If I wanted to make a video based on this, if I wanted to make a video based on this video, what angle should I take? Yes, that's very helpful. What about a title? Sounds awesome. Thank you. No, that's perfect. Okay, so do you guys see how awesome this is? You don't have to type anything in. All you have to do is talk to the AI, talk to Gemini 2.0, right? It's very helpful. Now, there are other options over here on the left, and I'm going to go through those with you. Tuna model, this is pretty much if you have a prompt that you use a lot or a prompt that you want to save, you can put it in here and it'll save it for you. So library is if you have any prompts saved. If you have any prompts saved, Gemini 2.0 will store them here for you under the library. I don't have any prompts saved, so it says no prompts yet. But this is the other awesome thing. This is prompt gallery. And here you can see it says which is bigger. Test if AI knows which number is bigger. And I'm going to click on some of them so you see. Okay. It says video Q&A. Ask questions about key details in a video. So you can upload a video file on Gemini 2.0 and ask questions about what made that video go viral or what are the positives or negatives about the video and how you can use that information to create your own video, right? So you would click on this and here, the plus sign, you would click on the plus sign and then you could upload the video. My drive, upload file, record audio, camera, or sample media. And once you upload it, then you can ask your questions and you would click run, right? The next one is bake to JSON. And JSON, a JSON file is pretty much in English. So it's easy for you to understand as opposed to code, right? So they give you an example here. You have some croissants, and then so you have the image of the croissants, and then the questions are first, describe the image. Then detail the recipe to bake this item in JSON format. Include item names and quantities for the recipe. Okay, so those are the prompts, not questions. Sorry, prompts. So let's try it. I'm going to upload my own image and show you guys how this works. This is really, really awesome, you guys. AI is amazing. Okay, and so I'm going to type, what is this an image of? Um, what are the ingredients? Quantities. And let's see what happens. Oh, sorry, you click run. Then you click run. And this is what it gives you. It says that's a picture of a slice of tiramisu. It's a classic Italian dessert. I can't give you an exact ingredient quantities from just an image, as recipes vary. However, I can provide a typical recipe structure and ingredient list to make a tiramisu at home. And then it does just that, right? Gives you the ingredients and the instructions, right? So, do you guys see you can use this for more than just content creation? Here it says a recipe list recipes in JSON format. Okay. And there's another really cool one here. It can help you with math. It says math tutor, math worksheet, city scavenger, right? Create a scavenger hunt, unit testing. This is for coding, solve geometry. It can help you with trip ideas, optimizing your code, twisted search, recipe genie. Let's click on recipe genie, right? It says accurately identify the baked good in the image and provide an appropriate recipe consistent with your analysis. So let's click run and see what it does. And it gives you the information based on your prompt. The baked good is chocolate chip cookies. They appear to be classic, chewy type, and it gives you the ingredients and the instructions. Okay. It says to describe an object and how to use it. So, like I showed you before, you can show on your webcam Gemini 2.0 in real time an object and ask it to describe the object and how to use it. You can use it for marketing, list from image. So create a list of items from an image. So we can click on that as well. And here we have a list of vegetables. Okay, let's click on run and see what it does. Here are the list of objects from the image. What? Oh, okay, it's giving you from all of them. I was like, wait, what? But it's saying cell phone, coffee cup, because it's also giving you from the example, the information from the example up here from this image, right? So it gives you this image. This is the default examples in Gemini 2.0. You can, of course, upload your own image and ask, okay? So and here is this is image number 3, and it says bell pepper red, bell pepper yellow, just like we have here. Okay. And let's see. It says chart decoder, identify elements in a hurricane chart, blog writer, if you're a writer. It says you can craft a blog post with an image, coffee bot, order coffee from a virtual barista, confusion matrix, generate a confusion matrix in Python, sentiment check, analyze the sentiment of text, research buddy, shape sequencer, find the next shape in a sequence, plant care, identify and care for your plants. How cool is that? Just by showing it to Gemini 2.0. Unbelievable how far AI has come. Uh, Docker setup, I'm not sure what this is, but it says write a Docker setup script for beginners, Santa's mailbox, respond to a letter as Santa, find brands, pull brand names from any text, recipe finder, get recipe ideas based on an image of ingredients, game character, design a game character with context, tone changer, adjust writing tone to fit your needs, rejects wizard, create rejects from text input, the next eclipse, find next eclipse info with search. So you can find out when the next eclipse will be. Weather search, use Google search with Gemini for the latest weather. You guys, awesome. Absolutely awesome. So over here with the on the left hand side where you have the menu, you have API documentation, just so you know what you'll be looking at. And this is just, stuff that you can read. Okay. You also have developer forum. Right? Build with Google AI forum, and this is where they have their discussions. You also have changelog, and it tells you when Gemini 2.0 was released and all of that. There's also the settings, right? And you can choose light mode, dark mode, okay? And you see the other settings information. And then once you have a Google account, because that's really all you need to get into, to log into Google AI Studio, you'll see your icon here. Okay, your avatar. Over here, on the right-hand side, it tells you that this is Gemini 2.0 Flash, and this one is experimental, you guys. Right? So they're allowing you to use it for free. The output, I selected audio, but you can also select text if you choose. But talking to AI is amazing, and that's what I want to do. And then you have your choice of voices. The one I was using is Puck. You have the others too that you could choose. And down here are some other tools: coding execution, function calling, automatic function response, and grounding. And it tells you what they are. Grounding is Gemini can use Google search to find information. Automatic function response, Gemini automatically generates responses to function calls. Function calling lets you define functions that Gemini can call. Code execution lets Gemini use code to solve complex tasks. Don't be afraid of AI, you guys. Get in there and start using it. It's not going anywhere. It's here to stay, and it's only going to get more advanced. So learning the basics now is awesome. And that's my goal with showing you guys the AI, new AIs that you can use for your content and just in your everyday life. My goal is for you to get curious enough to log on, right? And start using AI. Make your lives easier, you guys. I hope this gave you a taste of what Gemini 2.0 can do. And let me know in the comments what you'll use Gemini 2.0 for in your videos. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.